And we're live. Welcome to Dr. Brodskiy's Guide. I'm your host, Dr. Brodskiy. I'm a triple board certified physician, and I deal with all things aesthetics and anti-aging. This is a specialty that is very much kinetic. There are constantly things changing and evolving. There's always a new treatment, a new product, a new device, a new technology. And sometimes it can get very difficult to keep up with the advances with the lingo. So this channel is meant to really bring all that information into one place. This is a channel meant for learners, patients and practitioners alike, people that are new to the field, and veterans all the same. So this is meant to be interactive. You ask me what you would like more information on, and I give it to the best of my abilities. Now, I'm going to be honest. I am new to social media in this very public sense. So you bearing with me and you helping me out will allow me to better help you out. And we can hopefully work together in this sense. I'm very excited because this is very new to me, and I hope that you can get excited with me as well. So let's learn together, shall we? Welcome to Pretty Medicine at the Dr. Brodskiy's Guide.